Hey, hi. So, keeping your skin glowing is a personal choice. Today, I'm giving you my personal experience with the QASIL powder. How it all went for me. Did it really work? If it worked, for how long should you use it? How should you use it? The benefits. We answer all questions right here. Remember, it's been a minute. I've not done a product review, but I've done others, so you can check that a link in the description. Cause I always tell you this may work for you, the other one may not work, this may not work, and the other one may not may work for you. So it's good to just check out the other review and see which one suits best your skin. So, anyways, hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the YouTube babe right here. Ik heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. Drum rolls. That is the kind of energy we kickstart with right here. So, for starters, I just want to tell. Let me just Well, QASIL powder is said to be one of the products used by the Somali women to have some glow, some glowing, the glow. You just get my point. Anyways, from my experience, I started off with just a small bottle, heavy, this size, of which I actually overpaid for it. Now that I remember, I overpaid for that thing. But anyways, after a short period of using it, I bought a bigger bottle, a bigger container. This is it, a bigger container, and that shows there is some hopes. There is some hope for you. But I will also be looking at facts. Does it really work? How long does it take? All those things. So the first advantage of QASIL powder is, one, it treats pimples, it treats acne, it treats acne scars, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, eczema, and also reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. How true is that statement? We'll be finding out shortly. Well, we also have the disadvantages. For me, I did not really see those big side effects, but we have someone here who states it made my eyes puffy, red and watery when applied to my face, and my nose running. So everyone has a different disadvantage and everything, but personally I didn't really have that side effect that is really noticeable, that we can say you should take a caution about it or need. Well, nah. So, how to use and how long to use it? Does it really work? And why did I stop using it? Do I still use it? I'll be telling you that in a while. Please make sure that you do subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. So, what you do is you wet your face. Once you wet your face, you apply a small amount of QASIL powder to the palm of your hands. And then add a little bit, like a small amount. This is it. This is how it looks. It's just greenish powder gotten from the, I don't know, goab or is what tree. That's how it looks, just green. And I normally love the smell, the scent. It's normally just amazing. I don't dislike it. It's just okay with me. Oh, you have energy, Magia. Look at me. I don't like using Swahili, but I've realized nowadays I've started using Swahili on my videos, and we have viewers who, Anyways, we wet your face and then you apply a small amount of the QASIL powder to your palm. I could have done it, but I have done some little bit of makeup. I was doing another video on hairstyles. Please make sure that you do watch it. You wet, where are we again? Wet your face, apply a small amount of QASIL powder to the palm of your hands, and then you add a little bit of water, you stir, you mix, you rub your hands together, hands together, and then apply it directly on your skin, and then massage in a circular motion. There's another way you can do it, I'll be telling you. So you massage in a circular motion, okay, to all areas of your face. So the other way you can do it, in the beginning I used to do like that, and then the other way I had a small container. You place your powder inside, and then you add some water, and then you just stir, and then you just pick it and then apply on your face. But basically, the manner in which, if you just apply it on your palms and then apply on your face, it will form a foam. It will form a foam, and that foam is what, it's good, it's good. That foam is what you just continue massaging on your face. Remember, there is other way, the manner in which you can actually use QASIL according to me, and how I know is you can use it as a cleanser, you can also use it as a face mask. You can use it as a cleanser and also as a face mask. Okay, so the moment you apply it like that, you can do the massaging for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, but the moment you want to use it as a face mask, what you do is you just leave it for like 10 minutes to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. But if you feel like massaging your face for 10 to 15 minutes, you can just also go the extra mile. So you can basically just use it as a cleanser and as a face mask. You can use it to remove eczema, hypermigration, dark spots. Hizo vitu zote unaweza itumia. Did it really work for me? Do I still use it? About to answer that. So how many times should you use it? As a face mask, you can actually use it for 2 to 3 times a week. 2 to 3 times a week. We do not want to damage our skin, because we are told mostly too much of everything is a poisonous. We don't want to ruin our face. Okay, and guys, if you are going to buy the QASIL powder, usigongwe bei kama mimi nilienda kwa hawa mama wa Somali wakanigonga bei vibaya sana. Don't accept that. So I was about, now what do you want to know? What else? Nimeombea ile kazi nafanya venye unaweza itumia for how long, does it really work? It actually works for some people, but for some people it doesn't work. I always tell you the truth, it doesn't work for some people. For me, it worked for not 100%. I did not get the 100 results that I wanted. Maybe if I used it longer, I used it for like a month, 2 months, I did not see results in the first few days. I will not lie. I did not see results at first, the way it's always insinuated out there, but after a couple of days I saw something. And yeah, so right now the manner in which I use QASIL, I normally use it like a scrubber in a way, but not all the time. I don't even remember the last time I used it. I think I should have done this video the moment that I am applying it on my face, so that you can all see how I do it. So basically that is all about QASIL. If you have any question, make sure that you ask me in the comment section. And how did I get to know about QASIL? I think I just saw it online. I started researching, and then I got someone who, I think that was just how I got to know about it. It's not like the stories I tell you. I walked into the shop, I saw the lady there, I told her I need a glowing skin, and she recommended this or that. I think this one was just a different kind of story. So you don't have to buy all this, because you do not know if there's a bigger bottle, a bigger container. You can always start with a small one. We started with that tiny one, ile kidogo, ile wasomali wanaekanga nini, the inner, is it henna, and then they tie here the top with rubber or something. So if you have any question, just feel free to ask me in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram and on TikTok as Ms. Maureen, and subscribe to this channel, like the video, shares out there. Let's catch up on the next review. Check the description for more reviews, and you can just click here to watch more of my videos. Thank you for watching.